Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Hello dear student, have a nice day. Myself Kiran Patel, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Dear students, we are going to start with the course RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. In today's session, we will learn about the Block 3, Oracle Server and SQL, in which the Unit 1 is a structured query language. This is the 9th part of the Unit 1 in a Block 3. Now we will start with the Block 3 Unit 1 is a structured query language. First of all, we see the agenda of the Unit 1 is a learning objectives and outcomes. Introduction, basic data types of the SQL, SQL statements, data definition statement, constraint, data manipulation statement, data operators, Oracle built-in function, SQL joins, SQL subqueries, SQL views, SQL index, and last one is a SQL sequence. These all the topics are included in a SQL, structured query language. In last session, we have been already completed up to the SQL subqueries. Now, today we are going to start with the SQL views. What is views? View is the logical entity. A view is a simple representation of the SQL statement that is stored in a memory so that it can easily be reused. SQL views is a map to the select statement. Same as we write down the select statement, same as the views. The view is a SQL statement that is stored in a database. You use the views in a same way you use the database table. Order by clause cannot be used while creating the views. The view can contain all the rows of the table or a select rows from the table. A view can be created from one or more table, which is dependent on the written SQL query to create the views. Now, what is the need of the views? They allow you to make the complex query easy. We can easily make the query using view. You can present the different view of the same data according to their particular condition. Using view, we can different views of the same table data. It will use for the security purpose. View is used to hide the table data. View can be used to restrict the access to the data, restrict access to the data, to reduce the redundant data, not repeated data. Using view, we can display unique data. For experiment purpose, you can create the view and query on them instead of creating the temporary table. Restrict access to the data in both the column level and the row level. Selective portion of the tables can be hidden with the view. A user can see and sometimes modify exactly what they need and no more. The summarized data from the various table which can be used to generate the reports. These all are the needs of the views. Now, different types of the views. There are two types of the views, read-only views and updatable views. First, we see the read-only views. What do you mean by read-only views? The view is used to only look at the table data and nothing else. It is called the read-only views. Create the view with the read-only option is called the read-only view. We can't update it using this view. We only see the data from the table or view the data from the table. Now, updatable views. The view is used to look at the table data as well as insert, update, delete the table data is called the updatable views. Create the view without read-only option is called the updatable view. Using this view, we can update or change the data in the table. Now the database views are created using the create view statement. The view can be created from the single table or a multiple table. See the syntax of the create view commands. Create view, then view name as select column names 1, column name 2 up to column n from table name, where column name is equal to value or a condition. Then group by and having condition. See here, these are the select command. These are the select command. Before select command, you have to write create view, view name, then as. This line is write down before select statement. Then this select statement fetch the data from the table, and those data are generated as a view, like same as the virtual table. View is like a virtual table. Now in the example, see create view, then view name. See view name is a VW underscore stud. This is the view name, and this view is display which type of the data? This type of the data. It contains roll number, name and city from student, where roll number is not null. This view contain only those data whose roll number is not null. It is the same as like a table, but this table contain these 3 columns, and which one rows? Only not null roll number is included. We see how to create. This one is a select command. Before select command, you have to write create view, view name and then as. Only this line will be write down using select statement. Then view is created. After view is created, how to selecting the data from the views? So this one is the syntax. Select column name 1, column name 2 up to n from views name. Same as the table. We fetch the data same as the table. In the table, we fetch the data from the using select command. So here, how to fetch the data from the views? Select roll number, name from the views. Now, how to delete the records from the views? Delete from view name, same as the table name. Here is the view name. Delete from the view name, where column name is equal to values. See in the example. Delete from view name, like a table name, where student name is equal to Rahul. So this record will be deleted, whose name is Rahul. So from the views, this record will be deleted. It is same as like a table. View is same as like a table, but it is another copy of the table like. So same operation we can perform on a table, which is perform on a views. Now here the syntax of the updatable views. We see the select, how to select the data from the view, how to delete the data from the view. Now here we see the how to update the data from the view. A simple view is updated. First of all, same as the update from the table. It is a view name. Update view name, set column name is equal to value, and then where column name is equal to values or a condition. Update view name, then set student name is equal to Rahul, where roll number is equal to 4. In the view, roll number, the name will be changed, Rahul, whose roll number is 4. We perform the query on a table, same as a view. How to drop the view? Drop view name. If we drop the table, then we write down the drop table name, same as the drop view name. Now update table views. This view can be used for the data manipulation. The updatable view should meet the following criterias. Which of the condition it follows? First, view defined from the single table. Second one is if the user want to insert the record using view, the primary key and all not null columns must be included in a views. Using view, we cannot insert the duplicate data in a table if we define the primary key in the table. Now the third one is the user can update, delete the record using the view even if the primary key and not null columns are excluded from the view definition. The update view cannot be include the set operators, aggregate function, distinct, group by, order by, connect, close, start with the close, subquery, join, constant, string, and contains the multiple rows function. Use the row num keywords. It cannot be included using updatable views. If you do not want the view to be updatable, create it with the read-only option. Example, create view, then view name as select star from student where roll number is equal to 4 with the read-only option. This option is used when if you do not want the view to be updatable. Here we create the view as a name vw_stud. Here this name view is created, but in this view it contains which type of the data? All the data whose roll number is 4. But here with one option read only, with read only option, this option we cannot change in a view. We cannot change the record of this type of the view. That's why it is created read only view. If we want to change the data in a views, then this option is deleted. Only semicolon is here. If we want to view the data from the table only view purpose, then this option is included. If we want to change something in the views, then this option is deleted. Multiple tables views. Using this view, insert the operation is not allowed in a master table as well as the detail table. Delete and update operation do not affect the master table. It is affect only detail table. For example, creating the master table view. Master table means it includes the primary key. It will call the master table or a parent table. Now, creating the detail table, that is result. In the result table, roll number is references from the student table. So, it is a related, result table is related with the student table. See in the example, create view, then view name. This one is a view name. As after that, here we can write down the join query because we want to fetch the data from the student as well as result table. So, this view created the combined record from the student and result. The create view name as select result.roll number. Roll number, it will takes the roll number from the result table, then name from the student table, result and grade from the result table. from student comma result, where result dot roll number is equal to student dot roll number, then semicolon. At the end, thank you all. Now here we complete the topic of the SQL views from the Unit 1 in a Block 3. At the end, thank you all. Today we have been discuss about the SQL view, in which how to create the views, how to fetch the data from the views, how to delete the data from the views using the commands, same as like in a table. How to update the view also, how to create the view on a multiple table. So same as table, we perform the command on a table, same as the view. In next session, we will start with the new topics, is a SQL index from the Unit 1 in a Block 3. If you understand this session and getting the knowledge from this session, then please subscribe the BAOUGujarat. Once again, thank you all. Thank you guys.
स्वाध्यायः परमं